Hi, I'm Dr. Andrea Ramsey, and I live in Kansas City, where I work as a full-time composer and conductor. Previously, I was on faculty at The Ohio State University and the University of Colorado Boulder, where I taught students about choral music education and choral conducting. And before that, I was a public school teacher for 8 years. I also worked with youth choirs and children's choirs in Kansas City and in Northwest Arkansas. But after all of that, I've leaped full time now into freelance work where I'm conducting and mostly guest conducting events, occasionally sabbatical replacement, and then composing music for people all over and getting to travel and meet really wonderful singers and humans from around the country and outside the country. Music has given me incredible opportunities, and I'm really grateful for that. And apart from music and travel, I really enjoy nature, whether that's getting out for a stroll or hiking. I have a cat named Jeffrey that I like to hang out with sometimes. I have, friends that I'll play board games with or go to trivia nights, maybe do some art projects at home. I like to read. I like quality introvert activities. I play extrovert really well, but my recharge is a little more in the realm of solace.